Hello, classmates. My name is Denzel Bradford. Um, I'm going to present my website. The name of my website is 99 Problems. The purpose of my website is basically an informational website about a invitational football camp. Uh, the primary audience for the website will more than likely be, I say, parents of um, the participants. I don't foresee like the actual participants, which would be kids. I mean, some old enough to access the website, but I primarily see the main audience being parents of the participants. So on the first page of my website, it's just my home page, my logo here. Um, and as we go down, it explains what the 99 Problems Invitational Camp is. Um, you can read it here, and then go down a little bit, and basically it's just telling you who is 99, which is myself. It's a little bit of my personal information, a little bit about me, um, and then here at the bottom has my sponsors for the website, and on all of my pages on the website, it'll have the contact information at the bottom, and I put it on every page so that at any point you could just scroll to the bottom and contact me. If you have a question on that page, you don't have to try to go back and then try to remember why you wanted to contact me. You can contact me from any page. Um, and that's my home page there. Um, my second page is about. Um, so this is the page talking about the camp, explaining that's for kids, all right, and what you can expect from the camp, um, and the results of the that you can expect for the participants. And like I said, more about the camp. It also says that we'll have a professional photographer here. We'll provide food and drinks there at the camp. Then I have my frequent asked questions. All right. Also, you can click on it. It has answer. Then you go down. Like I said earlier, it has the ways that you can contact me here. My third page is titled "A Kid with a Dream." It's basically it's about me and my personal story. Um, I think it provides a little bit of motivation for kids. If you were to sit down and you could talk about this to your kids, explain to it, read it to them, and like I say, it's a little bit about me personally and my story as to why I was motivated to do something like this. Um, it also has my personal video here of a little bit of football highlights and stuff like that. And once again, at the bottom, it has my contact. Um, my next page is my testimonials. Basically, this would be, you know, after the camp where I would post the testimonials from, parents of participants or participants themselves. Those will be posted here. My last page is my gallery. It's just a photo gallery. So this would be where I would post pictures of, the actual event. There'll be some pictures here from the camp. And, you know, um, these are just some pictures that I put on. This is someone that I would foresee helping with the camp. Him being with the kids. Another picture with me at a football game. So that's basically the whole concept behind my website.